Welcome to Gharpedia, where we open the window to smarter living. Energy-efficient windows. Cutting-edge technology that enhances comfort, slashes utility bills, and reduces environmental impact. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of a building. They help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while minimizing energy use for heating and cooling. Multi-pane glazing plus low E coatings plus inert gas fills plus warm edge spaces plus insulating frames equals energy-efficient windows. Two most common types of energy-efficient windows: double-pane windows with low E coating gas-filled windows. Benefits of energy-efficient window. Choosing the right windows. U factor measures a window's insulation effectiveness. Lower values, 0.20 to 1.20 scale, indicate better energy efficiency for both heating and cooling. Optimize is energy efficiency by balancing insulation and solar heat management for each climate type. Energy-efficient windows cost 10 to 20% more upfront, but save 7 to 15% annually on energy bills, typically paying for themselves in 5 to 10 years. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Invest in comfort, cut energy bills, and boost your home's value while reducing your carbon footprint.